I don't think people realize how many decisions go into building a home and how many choices you have to make. Like when our grandparents built a home, when they went and looked at toilets, there were 4 options, and those 4 options were color choices.
By the time you're talking about trim and millwork, which think doors, accent walls, your staircase, I couldn't think about making another decision.
The trim selection process can be overwhelming, and that's where I come in and show them options and help walk them through it and make it simple for them. And this showroom at Dillman Upton has really helped that process. They can touch and feel the trim and see the doors and open and close doors, walk up the stairs and feel the different handrails, and I think it really helps make the decision process much easier.
A lot of times you see it on a blueprint, but it isn't easy to visualize. And I think when a builder can bring their customer in here and they can walk through it and see what it's going to look like at the end, it'll be a tremendous advantage.
Some of the ideas that our homeowners come up with, they're pretty complex. And with the knowledge that Brian brings to the table with Mans, it just makes my job easier.
So I visited Dillman & Upton, which is a Mans family company, and the staircase, I kind of had an idea of what I wanted. I'd been saving up pictures, and Brian just said, yep, I know exactly what to do. How we'll do the spindles. I was like, oh, perfect. It just felt like all of this relief off of me because I did not know how to pick that kind of stuff out.
What people don't realize is when you're working with a good vendor, you can make some decisions that aren't going to break the bank, but still bring that uniqueness to your home.
You can create something very, very beautiful for inexpensive. You really can. You know, and that's where Brian from Mans, he's excellent. So between the two of us, we probably got 50,000 photos on our phone. No matter who we're standing with, what they're thinking about, we probably have a picture, and we can show you what it's going to look like in the end.
So like real basic things would be on a drywall wall that you just is flat, and you all of a sudden you take some moldings and you create a panel, and then you paint the panel or you paint the moldings, and next thing you know you're like, wow, this is like this cool house that you'd see in the White House or something, but it's my house now. Think up, be creative, have fun. That's what the process should be all about.
We were able to customize a wall in the office, which is right at the entrance of the home and just kind of elevates the style. You can customize shelving, niches or nooks that really give you that look that's not just a cookie cutter, you know, another subdivision house.